Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this shining moon in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the page of CorelDRAW. First we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Now we will adjust the size. We will increase the size of the circle. Now we will drag inside and we will right click to make a copy. Now we have these two circles. Now we will place the small circle like this. And we will adjust the size. Now we'll select both and we will click on back minus front. Now we have this moon shape. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the shape. Now we'll click on fountain fill. Now we will adjust the fountain fill. Now we will change the color. You can see the color code which I am using. Now we will adjust. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small circle. Now we will fill white color in this circle and we will remove the outline. Now we will adjust the size. We will make very small. Now we will make a copy by drag and right click and we will decrease the size of this circle. We will make 3-4 circles of different sizes. Now we'll select all 3 circles and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Like this we will place these circles all over the moon. Now we'll select the star tool from the toolbar and we will make a star with the 4 point like this. Now we will increase the sharpness of the star. We will keep the sharpness 80. Now we'll fill the color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll make a copy of the star by drag and right click. Now we'll select the first star and we will go to the effects menu. Now we'll select blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now we'll select the second star and again we will increase the sharpness and we will decrease the size. Now we'll place like this on the first star. Now we'll change the color. We will select more lighter shade. Now we'll select both, then right click, then group. Now we will rotate the star and right click to make a copy. Now we will decrease the size of this star. Now we have this shine. Now we will decrease the size and we will place like this. Now we'll make one more copy and we will place here. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll make one more copy and we will place here. So guys, our moon design is ready. Now we will create the background. Now we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a square. Now we will select the interactive fill tool and now we will apply on the square. Now we'll select the fountain fill. Now we will adjust the size of the fountain fill. Now we will change the color with the eyedropper tool like this. Now again I am adjusting the interactive fill tool. Now we'll do shift page down to sand this square in the background. Now we'll again adjust the interactive fill tool. Now we'll select the moon shape and we will select the shadow tool from the toolbar and we will apply like this. So guys, our moon design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.